guys, what's up? It's RPX, and today I'm filming a cooking video, I suppose. And today we are going to be making spiced apple crisps. And I'm using a recipe because I do not have the initiative to come up with this myself. So first, what you want to do is take the stalks out of your apple, which I evidently can't do. Oh god. Don't take the stalks out of the apple, it's a bit hard. So what you want to do is cut small slices downwards. Oh, the stalk is just coming out now. Alright, so just slice downwards. Make 1mm to 2mm thin slices. If you have an apple corer, I would highly suggest to use one. What you want to do is, you may want to use 1 or 2 apples. I'll tell you how many I use once I'm done slicing. So, I'll see you once I'm done slicing. Right guys, so here are all the cut out apples, and basically what you want to do is stick them in the oven at 140 degrees Celsius if you have a fan oven, gas mark free, or 160 degrees Celsius. And basically what we're going to do now is just sprinkle them lightly with sugar and cinnamon. Make sure you line your tray with oil or oil, depending on however you do it. Sorry, let me just Alright, so what you want to do now is, I don't know why this tape, because no one's used this since we were tasked. Oh yeah, so what's the sprinkle sign? You just want to lightly sprinkle them with cinnamon. Or if you love cinnamon like me, you can just go in for it. This is to just give them a bit of flavour. You know what it smells like? You know, cinnamon at Starbucks. It just smells so good. And then what you want to lightly do is very lightly with sugar. And then what you want to do, is just stick them in the oven for an hour or 45 minutes. I will update you on how long it takes. So, see you then. Alright guys, we're back to the final product, which are these. So as you can see, some of them are really brown and some of them are like whitish. It just does look, but like I cooked them till they were brown so they'd be crunchy as well, I suppose. So with this one, I wish I got closer for that. So I'm just gonna try them. These are really good, I rate them. So make sure you flip them halfway through cooking. Then these are a really delicious, healthy snack, I would say. Would I make them all the time? No. Because, to be honest, yeah, they're easy to make, yeah. I don't know. They're a bit sweet, they're very sweet. I wouldn't say they're my forte, but they taste good, honestly. They'd be great decoration on cakes or anything. Overall, I rate them a solid 7 out of 10. Ciao!